Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we explore the latest in home tech and lifestyle products. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at the Vanconwey floor TV stand for 40 to 75-inch TVs, model VCZ 1966. This TV stand promises a blend of style, functionality, and durability, so let's see how it measures up. First off, the Vanconwey TV stand is built from a combination of steel and wood, giving it a solid, reliable structure. It's designed to support TVs ranging from 40 inches to 75 inches and can handle a maximum weight of 110 pounds. That makes it versatile enough for a wide variety of modern televisions, from mid-sized screens to larger home theater displays. The stand is compatible with a broad VESA range. One of the stand's standout features is its mobility. It comes equipped with smooth rolling wheels at the base, so you can easily move your TV around the room or adjust its position without lifting the entire setup. This is particularly useful for cleaning or for rooms where flexibility in viewing angles is important. In addition, the height of the stand is adjustable, allowing you to customize the TV position for the most comfortable viewing experience. The design of the Vanconwey TV stand combines a minimalist black finish with a wooden board base that features attractive wood grain. This aesthetic makes it suitable for a variety of interior styles, from modern to classic, and ensures that it doesn't just serve a functional role but also adds a touch of sophistication to the space. The stand's steel and wood construction also contributes to stability, so you don't have to worry about wobbling or tipping. In terms of setup, the Vanconwey TV stand is a floor-mounted design, so it doesn't require wall installation. It provides a clean and elegant solution for mounting your TV while keeping the area around it organized. The wooden board can also serve as a small shelf for media devices, consoles, or decorative items, adding practical storage options. The stand comes with a 12-month quality guarantee from Vanconwey, which gives buyers some assurance of durability and support in case any issues arise. The product is relatively lightweight at just under 19 pounds, yet it maintains a robust build that can easily handle larger televisions. The package dimensions are 28 by 21 by 4.5 inches, making it fairly compact for shipping and storage before assembly. Overall, the Vanconwey floor TV stand VCZ 1966 offers a combination of style, functionality, and flexibility. Its sturdy construction, adjustable height, mobility, and compatibility with a wide range of TVs make it a solid choice for anyone looking to enhance their home viewing experience without committing to a permanent wall mount. It's particularly ideal for those who value a minimalist, modern aesthetic, along with the convenience of moving the TV as needed. If you're in the market for a reliable floor-standing TV solution that balances elegance with practicality, the Vanconwey VCZ 1966 is definitely worth considering. That wraps up our look at this product. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and detailed product breakdowns.